Hello guys, welcome to the facts world once again. Our today's video is going to be about 10 countries that pay you to move there. Yeah, you heard right, countries that pays to move there. Before we delve deeper into our video, our request is to watch this video till end. And if you find this video interesting, kindly like this video and hit the subscribe button. So let's start our video. Moving abroad is no easy feat. Not only do you have to decide where to go, you have to consider how you'll make the actual move. When you're ready to pull the trigger, compare quotes from the top international movers. They have years of experience helping people move abroad and can transport your belongings, as well as provide advice on how to make the move seamless. Number 10, New Zealand. One of the most gorgeous countries in the world. It's no surprise why people would want to move here. Fortunately for them, it's one of several countries that pay you to move there. To take advantage of the program, you'll need to move to Kaitangata, a small town looking to boost its population. While they technically don't hand over any cash, they've created land and housing packages for $165,000, making it more affordable to make the move. New Zealand is an adventurer's dream. There's world-class skiing, incredible hiking, and action sports like jet boats and bungee jumping. From majestic fjords to sandy beaches and green vineyards, the landscapes are made for movies. Lord of the Rings was filmed here after all. Make the move to New Zealand to see all this stunning country has to offer. Number 9, Saskatchewan, Canada. Saskatchewan's graduate retention program aims to keep college graduates by offering CAD $20,000 in tax returns. Canada will pay you to live there for 10 years as long as you maintain residency and file taxes. The only catch is that you must have graduated from a post-secondary school on their list of approved institutions. If you want the benefits of the city and the country, moving to Canada, specifically Saskatchewan, might be a good transition for you. Saskatchewan has several national parks and historic sites to experience all the best of the great outdoors. It also has excellent job opportunities, especially for college graduates. Number 8, Ponga Villages of Spain. If you're part of a young couple that wants to have kids, you can earn $3,000 just by moving to Spain and staying in a Ponga community for 5 years. It's a small region of fewer than 1,000 people with a dwindling population. You'll also receive an additional $3,000 incentive for each of your children, whether they moved with you or are born in Ponga. Besides paying you to move there, Spain is a great place to live. The Asturias region in northern Spain has a gorgeous landscape, welcoming communities, and booming job prospects. We also love the idea of siestas that give you a 2-hour break in the middle of the day. Number 7, Mauritius. Do you have a business idea that you're passionate about? Mauritius, an island east of Madagascar, offers 20,000 Mauritian rupees, $440, to start up businesses that move there. You'll have to present your unique and profitable business idea to a committee to determine whether you qualify. While it may not be an isolated island paradise as you'd expect, Mauritius has so much to offer. It has beautiful weather, a thriving economy, high-quality schools, and free healthcare for residents. It's also a multicultural hub full of diversity. Number 6, Korea, Thailand, and Vietnam. These 3 countries offer similar benefits and target mostly European and United States residents. In return for moving to Korea, Thailand, or Vietnam, they'll give you a job teaching English and other courses. The process is simple and relatively quick, so once you've covered the international moving costs, you'll be off to Asia sooner than you think. Each country offers a history and culture different from Western countries. They also have incredibly delicious food and a low cost of living. Many people find an excellent quality of life in these 3 Asian countries. Number 5, Albania, Switzerland. Albania is experiencing a population decline among young people, so they will pay you $25,000 to move there. New residents are eligible for the grant and an additional $10,000 for their children. The catch is that you've got to be under the age of 45 and maintain full-time residency for at least 10 years. If the scenery alone doesn't take your breath away, you're just a short trip from nearby Geneva and Zurich. It's basically the ideal life with a stable economy and access to the Swiss Alps. Number 4. Ireland. Enterprise. Ireland is a program that's attracting expats from around the globe. If you think your startup has potential, submit an application. If approved and you move to Ireland, your business will receive thousands of euros in funding and tax credits. Plus, you'll get access to the European Union, one of the largest markets in the world. The Irish countryside is spectacular, and the people are even more remarkable. As a new resident, you'll find a unique and generous culture in Ireland that you'll immediately love. Also, pubs are prime socializing hotspots, so you'll get to know the locals quickly. Number 3. Denmark. Denmark loves entrepreneurs and encourages startup businesses and digital nomads to relocate there. They aren't necessarily a country that will pay you to move there. However, relocating there grants you access to Denmark's excellent education, healthcare, and welfare systems. Even if you're an investor, moving to Denmark isn't a bad idea for the financial incentives. Denmark is a primarily coastal country with pristine waters and flat terrain. Bicycles are a common mode of transportation, both environmentally friendly and health conscious. It's also considered one of the happiest countries in the world, so it's worth considering. Number 2. Italy. There are several municipalities in Italy that will pay you to move there. Here are 2 of our favorites. Candela has the crowded streets of urban Italy without the masses of people. It's home to about 2,700 people, and the mayor is offering between $800 for singles and $2,000 for families to move there. The only catch is that you must move your permanent residence to the southern Italian town, have a job, and invest in a house built before 1991. About 1/3 of Candela's homes meet that requirement. Sicily. Sambuca di Sicilia is a small town of about 6,000 people in Sicily that has been shrinking as residents move to larger cities. The town is selling homes for only $1 to boost the population. In return, you must refurbish the rundown home within 3 years, which will likely cost around $15,000 and provide a $5,000 security deposit that will be returned when the renovations are complete. Number 1. Chile. If you love travel, you're familiar with the out-of-this-world landscapes in Chile. From the Atacama Desert and thriving Santiago to the towering mountains in Patagonia, Chile delivers the goods. While its economy was historically centered on mining, the country has made active investments in becoming an innovative tech hub. One of those investments is Startup Chile, an accelerator program. Be sure to do some research before settling on a place to move to. Many of these programs are temporary, periodically stop accepting applications, or make changes to the requirements and benefits. In fact, one of the most exciting options, which is still listed on dozens of sites, was the Greek island of Antikythera. This was our video about top 10 countries that pay you to move there in 2024. Kindly give us your opinion in comments section about this video and these countries and these programs. Thanks for watching our video.